Alright, so hey, what's up, YouTube peoples? This is gonna be my video on the One X, or how to take apart your Xbox 360 Slim. I painted mine white, so yours probably will be black. Shiny button, fan on the side, top. Alright, so to get started, first off you're gonna need Torx 10 screwdriver, out of there, $2. Torx 8 screwdriver. They're both $2 at Menards. And then this Flathead micro whatever majigger. You got a whole set for like $8 at Menards, $10. Alright, so to get started, you're gonna wanna take off your hard drive cover. And then just like stick your finger under there and pull. Simple. Alright, now here comes, it gets a little harder. You're gonna take your flathead. I got a different one because this one works better. And then you want to stick it in, one second. You want to stick it in this hole right here, the first one, right by the USB door. I think. And you got, there's like little clips in there that you want to hit. And then, once you get it, you should feel it, and then should be able to pull. Alright, then you want to go skip one, go to this one, do the same thing. No. Ah. Okay, and then after you get 2 or 3 of them, it should just pop off. And then just lift it off. And don't worry, you're not going to break it. And then I have to put these back in there because you don't need to take them off. Put it back together. Okay. Then you go to the other side. This one's a little bit easier to take off. Take your flathead, go down from the disk drive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then stick your screwdriver in there and just lift up. Alright, do like that. Stick your finger or your another flathead in there, in the front, and just it'll pop off. See? Done. Alright, now from the back, on the side with the fan, stick your screwdriver in right there. And then skip another one. And then go to the first one. See? Voila. Now is where you're going to need your T8. You want to unscrew this screw that's holding your Wi-Fi card in there. See? Wi-Fi card. No, I tried that, it won't. I tried to put this in a computer. It doesn't fit, it's not an actual USB port, it's just a little bit bigger. Alright, now for this one, go where the Wi-Fi card was. Alright, see where the Wi-Fi card was? Then in there you should see 2 clips. You want to undo those clips. should come apart. I'm gonna go over to here, this side with the power. Do the same thing, except there's only gonna be one on this side. Alright, then hold this like this. And I forgot to mention, you're gonna need like a toothpick or a pin or something. Like one of these. Like just a little like pin thing. There, a little pin, nail, whatever. And stick it in this hole. You gotta take off your sticker first. And then yes, this does void your warranty. Okay. Now you wanna put the Xbox with the fan down. And leave your faceplate on during this whole thing. Alright, now you need your T10. Take out all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 or 6 of the big black screws. Like the heads are bigger. And there's one underneath that middle sticker. I only have 2 because I lost my other ones. Okay, now flip your Xbox back over. Go like that. Just pull it off. Alright. Now, it's basically apart. Yours will look different because mine has a special fan, blue LED fan, and an extra fan. Alright, now to take off your faceplate, just basically pull, and don't pull too far because there's a little cord. Now to get this off, you want to go behind the plug-in. Take off this little black thing first. Now, right there, it's like blue. Take it off from the back and then undo the front. Okay? There. And close that back up. And there's your faceplate. Alright, now, take this off. Take your T9. Unscrew, there's 2 screws? No, there's 3 screws, I think, but I only have 2. Alright, no? I don't even remember. I'll tell you after I get it off. I think there's only 2 though. Okay, let me get those 2 off. Yeah, there's only 2 of them. Then you got this nice little board. Alright, now to take out your disk drive, now just lift it up. And there's 2 cords in the back again. Then if you got the 4 gig model, there's a little chip here that's your 4 gigs with storage. It's like that. That just lifts off. You can leave it in if you want. I just want to because I don't want to lose it because my account's on it. Then, if you have a hard drive, rip it out. Like unplug it. Alright, now to take off your fan, you're going to need either a Flathead or a Phillips. It doesn't really matter, they both work. I got this little Phillips thing that I got with my table or whatever that came with my cabinet that I put together. Alright, and then, yeah. Come out like that. And there's only 2 screws on here. There's probably more on yours. Just if it's in the way, just take it off. It's not that hard to figure out where it goes or how to take it off. And then take off your fan. You're gonna want to unplug it. And imagine it's the cord going to your fan. When my stupid brother put another fan in here, even though I don't need it. It's just extra noise. It's loud and annoying. So I'm gonna take it off. Oh, that sounds good. Right now your fans are out. Your fan's off. What you're gonna do is unplug everything. Two SATA ports and some weird power port for your hard drive, and a power cord for your CD drive, which I don't take off because it's hard to get back in there. So, alright, then you want to do? Take your Xbox, right? Flip it over. For some reason there is a ball of tape in there. Alright, now you need your T8, little one. Take out these 4 black screws, the little black screws. And the 4 little screws are around the X. Alright, now you gotta grab your T10, and there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 T10s that you take out. Okay. Yeah. Alright, now grab your Xbox, flip it back over, and just grab it. Take this little thingy, take this out, and then grab your heatsink, hold onto your case, and just lift up from the front, or maybe the back. Depends which way yours comes out. Be very gentle. There.
Working on the Xbox?
Yeah.
No, not all space out for supper.
Okay.
So they did.
Alright.
You should be here in about 45 minutes.
Okay. I'll be done in a couple minutes.
What?
I'll be done in a couple minutes. Good time. There, that's all taken apart. Okay. Bye-bye. Peace.